Hi, I'm Audrey, a CSU engineering student, and I'm here to give you a look at the Rapid Prototyping Lab at the CSU Energy Institute. Sometimes, the engineering projects done here at the Powerhouse need specialized tools and equipment that might not exist at your regular hardware store. The Rapid Prototyping Lab gives researchers the ability to design and build complex products in-house.
So we're here in the Rapid Prototyping and Applied Engineering Lab at the Powerhouse campus. This is a facility that we've been dreaming about for quite a while. We were able to take somebody's idea and craft it into a product that could actually be brought into the lab and make an impact.
By combining advanced 3D printing with 2 CNC machines, this lab can take an idea from concept to completion. Students are involved at every step of the process.
Here we get to utilize not only expertise, but we also get to give the students an experience where they're transforming their classroom experience into real-life applications.
In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, the lab joined efforts with CSU's infectious disease facilities to build components for UV disinfection technology. The ability to rapidly prototype the tools needed by researchers was absolutely vital.
I think the Rapid Prototyping Lab in this specific instance is incredibly valuable because we are able to immediately jump onto a project. Obviously, this is a very high priority and we could rapidly innovate, we can make revisions, and ultimately produce a product that truly works the way in which the original innovation is intended.
Good engineering solutions only matter when they can get out in the real world and make a positive impact. With the Rapid Prototyping Lab, CSU engineers can scale up innovations and move quickly to solve critical problems.